Hey there, future web developers. The internet is an amazing place, right? It's how we connect with friends, learn new things, and even order pizza. But have you ever wondered how websites are made? That's where web development comes in. It's like building with digital Lego bricks, but instead of castles, you're creating websites. Web development is a super cool field where you get to be creative, solve problems, and bring your ideas to life online. No matter your background, anyone can learn how to build websites. It's like learning a new language, but this language lets you talk to computers and tell them what to do on the internet. Think about your favorite websites. They all started with an idea and some lines of code. The best part, you can do it too. So are you ready to dive in and learn how to build awesome websites? Let's go. Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites. It's like constructing a house, but instead of bricks and mortar, we use code. This code tells computers how to display a website and make it interactive for users. There are different types of code, just like there are different tools for building a house. We use languages like HTML to create the structure of the website, CSS to style its appearance, and JavaScript to make it dynamic and interactive. Don't worry if these sound unfamiliar now. We'll explore them more later. Web development is everywhere around us. Every time you visit a website, you're seeing the work of web developers. It's a constantly evolving field, which makes it exciting to learn and be a part of. In the world of web development, there are different paths you can take, just like choosing your favorite subject in school. Do you love designing and making things look amazing? Then, front-end development might be your jam. Front-end developers are like the architects and interior designers of the web. They focus on the visual aspects of a website like the layout, colors, fonts, and how users interact with it. Imagine creating the perfect online store with easy-to-use menus and beautiful product displays. That's the magic of front-end development. Now, if you're more into the behind-the-scenes action, back-end development could be your calling. Think of it like the plumbing and electrical systems of a house. Back-end developers work on the server side, dealing with databases, user authentication, and all the complex logic that powers a website. Want to do it all? Then become a full-stack developer. These superheroes have the power to build both the front end and back end of a website, making them true web development masters. Section 4, Skills for Success, What You Need to Know. Ready to start your web development journey? That's awesome. Just like any adventure, you'll need some essential skills in your backpack. First up, let's talk about HTML, the backbone of every website. Think of it like the skeleton that provides structure. Next, we have CSS, the fashion stylist of the web. It's used to style the looks of your website, making it visually appealing and engaging. And then there's JavaScript, the language that brings websites to life. It adds interactivity, animations, and makes your website dynamic. But wait, there's more. Problem-solving skills are a must-have for any aspiring web developer. You'll encounter challenges along the way, and being able to think critically and find solutions is key. And don't forget about communication skills. Web development often involves teamwork, so being able to effectively communicate your ideas is crucial. Section 5, Your Web. Dev Toolkit, Essential Tools and Resources. Every web developer needs a trusty toolkit, just like a carpenter needs a hammer and nails. Luckily, the web development world is full of amazing tools and resources to make your life easier. First things first, you'll need a code editor, a magical place where you'll write all your code. Think of it like your digital notepad. There are tons of options out there, each with its own superpowers. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. Next up, we have web browsers, your window to the internet. They're not just for browsing cat videos, they're also essential for testing your code and seeing your website come to life. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge are all great options. And don't underestimate the power of online communities. Joining forums, online groups, and attending meetups can connect you with fellow developers, provide support, and open doors to new opportunities. Section 6. Keep learning, keep building, resources, and advice. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the exciting world of web development. Remember, learning to code is like learning to ride a bike. It takes practice, patience, and a few scrapes along the way. The internet is your oyster when it comes to learning resources. There are tons of free online courses, tutorials, and interactive coding platforms where you can level up your skills at your own pace. Some popular options include Free Code Camp, Codecademy, and Khan Academy. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and start building. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. And remember, the web development community is incredibly supportive. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. We've all been there. So, keep that curiosity alive, keep practicing, and never stop exploring the vast world of web development. Happy coding!